He runs barefoot on the dusty ground. No toys, no gadgets, just an old plastic bottle and a heart full of joy. He doesn't know what a PlayStation is. He's never touched a tablet. He's never even seen a toy store. Yet he laughs louder than most, smiles wider than many, and plays like he owns the world. And then there's us, surrounded by comfort, drowned in options, yet still searching for peace. We complain about small things, while he celebrates the smallest joys. So today, before you complain, pause. Think of him. He has nothing, but still thanks life like he has everything. Gratitude isn't about how much you have. It's about how deeply you feel it.